as you can see, I have a claw clip addiction. So let's make 10 summer hairstyles with them. So we'll start with our first one. This will take a little more time than others. So basically we want to select our crown section. We want to brush it lightly, making sure there are no tangles, and we want to tie it with a clear elastic. Make an opening and bring this ponytail through this opening, pull a little bit, and then you want to select from one side of your parting a section of your hair, and you want to make a 3-strand braid with it. I decided to leave some hair in the front. You want to make a 3-strand braid, braiding it backwards. So when your 3-strand braid is ready, make sure to repeat it on opposite side. Now, when our super simple braids are ready, we want to bring them back and we want to tie it with a clear elastic too. Bring these braids through the opening of your topsy tail, tighten it a bit, and fix it with a claw clip. How beautiful and romantic this looks, right? Second one, we want to select all our hair from the top like I'm showing, and make sure to brush your top section. Smooth it out using foam, cream or gel depending on what you like. Tie this half up ponytail. Then you want to bring your ponytail a little bit up, and using a claw clip you want to hide your elastic. Look what a beautiful claw clip I got here. For the next one, we want to select again our top section, and we want to brush it well to make it nice and smooth. Then you want to grab your ponytail and you want to wrap it and bring it up like creating a half bun, and you want to pin it underneath using a claw clip. I like it so much. For the next one, gathering all our hair into a middle ponytail, you want to smooth everything out, again using cream. I have a hairspray. It's called velvet hairspray. So basically it has the same effect like using some wax. Create a ponytail, a middle ponytail. Then you want to open your ponytail, so basically you divide it into two and pin a little higher your claw clip like that. Beautiful and so voluminous, right? For the next one, we'll want to make again a middle ponytail. Divide your ponytail into two, and you want to twist each strand one way, and then you want to twist them around each other opposite way. So you want to continue these steps over and over again until reaching the ends. Here guys, you can make any type of braid that you like. This one is my favorite basically, so I decided to make it. When you reach the ends, make sure to use a clear elastic to fix it. Then you want to use a claw clip on top and two small, pretty much the same color like our first claw clip. How beautiful this looks. I will wear it for the summer over and over again. For the next one, making again our middle ponytail, you want to divide all our ponytail into 3 equal sections and create a 3-strand braid. I am sure everybody know how to braid a twist-on braid, make sure to fix it using a clear elastic at the ends. Now you want to use a claw clip, fix it, and then you want to wrap your braid around it and little by little pin it using your claw clip like I'm showing. Make sure to hide the ends underneath and your bun is ready. For the next one, we'll have again for the base our middle ponytail. You want to divide it into two. Grab your top section, twist it lightly like creating a French twist like I'm showing, and fix this twist using a flower claw clip like I did. Here I'll suggest you to use pretty much the same type of claw clips. Grabbing the ends, you want to make the same twist, clip it, grabbing the ends, you want to wrap it up and hide it using your claw clip. For the next one, you want to make a middle ponytail, and last time make sure to pull your hair halfway through, then bring your hair up, bring it through the elastic, use a claw clip to fix this construction. And your bow or butterfly updo is ready. For the next one, gathering all your hair into a little higher ponytail than we did before. You want to smooth it out beautifully and you want to tie it with an elastic. Then grabbing your hair, you want to twist it lightly, bring it up, creating a bun. And then you want to wrap it several times if your hair is longer than mine. Then we want to bring it down, hide the ends and use a claw clip to fix the ends of your bun like I'm showing. Beautiful and classy looking, right? For the next one, we want to make a very high ponytail. Again, make sure to make it nice and smooth. Then you want to gather a medium or small size claw clip and you want to wrap your hair around it like I'm showing. Then you want to twist it and clip at the base of your ponytail. Then you want to fan it out your created bun. You can use some pins if you need, but I don't need them. And you're basically done. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed today's 10 claw clip hairstyles. Don't forget to tell me in comments down below which one was your favorite. But that's it for today, and love you so much and see you soon in my next video. Bye!